Why, hello there. Today we look at the premier Seiko Marinemaster SLA077 and 079. Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. Now, let's make one thing clear. We are not talking about the playful and affordable Seiko 5KX. Instead, this is the real deal, Seiko Diver. Both because of the specs and because of the heritage. The Marinemaster sits at the top of the prospects line, so be prepared to reach deeper into your pockets. But it will be worth it, as we explain shortly. It is a modern rendition of the legendary Seiko 6159, released in 1968. Just imagine a watch with 300 meters of water resistance and a high beat movement, available a year before the Apollo 11 landed on the moon? Did you get instantly warm and fuzzy inside too? By the way, those are still available in working condition on Chrono 24. But jokes aside, maybe it's better to buy the new SLA079. The case shape is different, but the design of the dial, especially the black one, is quite close. At HHN, we can almost hear your moans about the 4:30 date window, but just give it a chance. Compared to the original, the Lumibright makes the new watch significantly more legible in the darkness. And there's the movement. It shares its core architecture with Grand Seiko's 9S series, but lacks its decoration and precise regulation. Yet it is hand-assembled, which you don't get from Swiss brands at twice the price. Shockproof and all-around tough. Zooming out, it is a watch for a connoisseur. You'll never impress the average guy with it, especially not the Rolex Omega fanboys you'll meet in most of the business situations. But if you want to show the world you are a true watch nerd, putting quality before just flashing your wealth, certainly that's one way of doing it in style. There you go. You have just mastered another of our videos. Thank you, and we hope to see you in another one.